Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to change your Steam region or store country in 2025 the right way. So this is quite useful if you have moved to a new country or your currency is now changed. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for steampower.com, or if you are already using Steam Powered's official application in your desktop, you just have to simply launch that and log in into your account. Once done, you will see your profile icon or your username in the top right hand corner. So you need to just click on it, then select the option of account details. Now here in your account details, you will see the option of store and purchase history, where you further going to see the option of update store country. So after clicking on this option, you will be landed on this page where you will only see the option if Steam detects a login or payment from a different country. So to change your region, you must make a purchase using a payment method from a new country like a local debit card or a wallet. And then if you click on the update store country option, you will be able to choose your new country, and then you will be able to complete a small purchase like a low cost game or the wallet top up. Steam will be able to change your store to the selected region and update your currency. So this is what they have written over here. But if you still need any kind of help from Steam, you need to click on the contact Steam support, and over here you need to just scroll down and click on the contact option again. Over here you need to select your country or your region, and this should be the one that is your current country and region, the changed one. Now here you need to provide or submit a request that I want to change my account. So you need to simply provide that and press send option over here. Now I would recommend you do not use VPNs in order to change your country or your region. Instead, just make a small purchase from your new country and you will get the option of changing it in your Steam account very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.